Good morning, guys. Today we will discuss how to solve exercise 6, page 107. First of all, I have to look well at the figure and try to understand very well the given and what is required to prove. In the adjacent figure we have A is the anterior point of angle XOY. Interior means inside. This is angle XOY and A is inside the angle. Okay, next one. B is the symmetric of A with respect to OX. What do you mean by B symmetric of A? This means that here, this point of intersection on the axis is the midpoint of A, B. C is the symmetric of A with respect to OY. Symmetric means if I draw a perpendicular here to the line, this segment should be equal to, in the other side, to the other segment, C, and reaching this point here. Okay? Show that the perpendicular bisector of BC passes by O. Here we have the segment BC. I have to search about the perpendicular bisector of BC and prove that it passes through O. OY here is the perpendicular bisector of AC. Why? Since OY is perpendicular to the segment AC at its midpoint, then O is a point on perpendicular bisector, so OC equals to OA. Again, OX is the perpendicular bisector of AB. This means that OX is perpendicular to AB at its midpoint. Okay, what do we understand here? O is a point on the perpendicular bisector, then A is equidistant from A and B, and that's why I can write OA equals to OB. Here we have OA equal to OC and OA equal to OB. This means that OB equals to OC, and O is a point equidistant from two extremities of the segment BC. OB equal to OC. This means that O belongs to the perpendicular bisector of segment BC. Okay, it's easy, but we have to pay attention well. Now, what does O represent for triangle ABC? As we say in grade 6, the intersection of the three perpendicular bisectors of a triangle is called a circumcenter. What do you mean by circumcenter? It's the center of circle circumscribed about the triangle ABC. Here, let's see it on the figure. I'm talking about triangle A, B, C. This triangle. We have OY is the perpendicular bisector of AC, and OX is the perpendicular bisector of AB. They intersect at point O, and we proved that the perpendicular bisector of BC passes through O. Then O is the point of intersection of the three perpendicular bisectors. So O is the center of circle circumscribed about triangle ABC. Circumscribed means that the circle should pass through A, B, and C. Okay? That's it. Please, you have to write the answers again. Please, you have to write the answers on your classwork copybook and hand in your work and the assignment. Thanks for your attention.